Defendant's own accounting proves conclusively that neither Homecoming's Financial nor defendants ever loaned plaintiff any money. Now, how important is this?
Extremely important, because they kept all the money. It's all stayed with them. So why are we going to pay them for something they've already been paid for?
Okay, now your concept is correct. Let me rephrase that so I get a more correct answer. How important is this in court?
They haven't given you the loan yet.
No.
Oh, it's devastating.
Ryan was talking. Ryan was talking.
It's critical.
Yes. Now do you know why I think it's so important to get the forensic examination? Because their accounting proves that they are the ones ripping you off. Where's the problem in law with that? There's what's called willfulness. If you knowingly, okay, if you do something wrong, you can still be held accountable up to a point. We have negligence. Okay, everybody has this thing, DUIs are a big thing now. And what people don't understand with DUIs, it's usually driving, DWI, driving while intoxicated, driving under intoxication, blah, blah, blah. Now, when you read the actual statutes on it, alcohol is one of them. But drugs play into that too. Okay, a lot of people get DUIs over medication. Now, so you have all kinds of case law. Your doctor changes you're on some kind of medication, your doctor changes your medication. Now, with your new medication that you're just starting on right now, you have the same medication for years. High blood pressure people go through this, people with kidney issues, people with back problems. All kinds of people get medication changed after a while. The body has a tendency to build up some kind of resistance or get used to stuff. Or it's just not working well. So they issue you a new medication. You go down there and get it. Pharmacist is busy. The doctor knows the pharmacist is going to explain stuff. Pharmacist doesn't explain it. So your new medication says, listen, you better test this at home around a group of people because you may fall asleep, you may become erratic, you may become drowsy. You've been taking the same medication for 10 years, so you don't know this is going to be any different. You pop the pill at the pharmacy and you go driving. Now, you get in an accident. Whose fault is it?
Yours.
Yes. But was it willful?
No.
Was it negligent?
Yes.
No. Absolutely not. It was not negligent. You relied on trained professionals. Should somebody have told you?
Yep.
Should your doctor have told you?
Oh, yeah.
Instead of that 15 minutes, should he taken another 5? Should the pharmacist, who's required by law?
Oh.
So are there not all these laws saying these professionals got to tell you something? But are you not still responsible? Yes, your responsibility, though, is limited by the other parties. The same thing, because we're always talking about civil law here, so the same thing winds up applying in this case. It's not your accounting that's proven the fraud. It's their accounting that's proving fraud. Do you get it? It's their accounting. They can't say they didn't know.
Right.
That's a big deal. The bottom line, the fact that it's their accounting that shows that the promissory note has been discharged the obligor and that they never did a loan. Now what have we just stepped into?
Fraud.
And where does fraud lie? Once you get done with the civil aspect, what must fraud then therefore lie to?
Take out everything else.
Criminal aspect. It walks right over. Just the other side of the courtroom. It's like, okay, won this civil thing, here's why we won it. It can go right to the prosecutor's office. Absolutely it can. In almost any case you could think of.